You need an emergency fund. Here's why. We all know we need an emergency fund for life's minor and not so minor emergencies. But there's a bigger truth about why you should have an emergency fund. An emergency fund provides financial security. It's not just a safety net, it's a crucial part of your financial plan. I didn't realize how important an emergency fund was to my financial security. As you will see, it's very important. Here are 7 ways an emergency fund will help provide financial security. As a bonus, I will show you how to start an emergency fund at the end of this video. Emergency funds provide financial security. An emergency fund is like a financial safety net for unexpected moments, like a surprise medical bill or a sudden car repair. It's there to help you cover these costs without relying on credit cards or loans. This cushion means you can maintain your lifestyle even when things go wrong. The experts recommend 3 to 6 months of living expenses. That is not 3 to 6 months of pay. It's how much money you will need for that amount of time. If you decide to have 6 months of living expenses, you will need to know how much your cost of living is. That would be the rent, mortgage, and the average utility bills. It would also include any bills you have, including credit cards, loans, and car payments if you have a car payment. My emergency fund is for 6 months, so I have the money I will need to live for 6 months, minus luxury items like eating out and travel. I have also included my health and car insurance deductible in my emergency fund. Yes, there's more. Keep watching. An emergency fund can help you avoid going into debt by ensuring you have money saved for unexpected expenses. Instead of turning to credit cards or loans with high interest rates when emergencies arise, you can dip into your fund to cover costs immediately. This proactive approach prevents you from accumulating debt and the financial stress that comes with it. An emergency fund prepares you to handle surprises without compromising your financial stability or future goals. An emergency fund brings peace of mind because it ensures you're financially prepared for life's unexpected challenges. Knowing you have money set aside to handle emergencies like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss means you don't have to worry about where the money will come from. This financial cushion allows you to focus on other aspects of your life without the constant stress of potential financial crises, ultimately leading to a more relaxed and confident outlook on your financial future. An emergency fund provides financial flexibility by allowing you to seize opportunities without jeopardizing your financial stability. Whether investing in a promising business venture, taking advantage of a great deal, or pursuing a new career opportunity, having a financial cushion means you can make these decisions confidently. With money set aside for emergencies, you don't have to worry about tapping into your savings or going into debt to capitalize on these chances. This flexibility empowers you to make strategic moves to enhance your financial future while maintaining a secure and stable financial foundation. An emergency fund fosters a strong sense of self-reliance and financial independence by providing the means to handle unexpected expenses independently. You won't have to turn to friends, family, or high-interest payday loans to cover costs when emergencies arise. Instead, you can confidently rely on your savings, knowing you have a financial buffer. This self-sufficiency strengthens your financial position and enhances your peace of mind as you are prepared to face crises independently. Ultimately, an emergency fund empowers you to manage your finances without external assistance, reinforcing your financial resilience and independence. Regularly contributing to an emergency fund fosters disciplined saving habits and reinforces financial responsibility, which can positively impact other areas of your financial life. Committing to setting aside money consistently allows you to develop a routine prioritizing saving over impulsive spending. This practice helps you build a solid financial foundation and instills a sense of control over your finances. As your emergency fund grows, you gain confidence in managing money wisely. This disciplined approach can extend to other financial goals, such as retirement savings, debt repayment, or investment strategies, ultimately leading to a more secure and prosperous financial future. An emergency fund protects your long-term financial goals by preventing you from dipping into your retirement savings during unexpected financial crises. Without an emergency fund, you might be tempted to withdraw from your retirement accounts to cover immediate expenses, potentially incurring penalties and disrupting the growth of your nest egg. By having a dedicated emergency fund, you can address unforeseen costs without compromising your long-term savings. This ensures that your retirement plans remain intact and on track, allowing your investments to grow undisturbed and secure a comfortable future. An emergency fund is a financial safeguard that preserves your long-term goals and provides peace of mind. Now that you know that an emergency fund is more than just paying those unexpected expenses, it's time to start an emergency fund. I have a video for you if you are having trouble saving money. It will show you how you can start saving money today. There's a link in the description. The video's name is You Can Save Money and I Guarantee It. To start an emergency fund, you will need to set a goal. Begin by determining how much you need in your emergency fund. A standard recommendation is to aim for 3 to 6 months' living expenses. This amount should cover essentials like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and other critical expenses. Having this cushion ensures that you can maintain your standard of living during financial setbacks without needing to take on debt. Saving an emergency fund is a process. It's important to make regular contributions to your emergency fund until you have reached the amount you decided on. Automating your savings is one of the most effective ways to build your emergency fund. This approach automatically transfers your checking account to a dedicated savings account, ensuring that you consistently contribute to your fund without thinking about it. Automating your savings helps you stay disciplined and makes saving a seamless part of your financial routine. Start saving small amounts first. That way, you won't miss the money as much and will be more likely to reach your goal. As time goes on, increase the amount you are saving. I increased my savings every 3 months until I was saving 5% of my pay for my emergency fund. After I had 6 months of living expenses set aside, I redirected the money to a different category. Reduce your expenses. To accelerate the growth of your emergency fund, look for ways to cut unnecessary expenses from your budget. This might include dining out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding more affordable alternatives for your expenses. You can reach your goal more quickly by redirecting these savings to your emergency fund. Please take advantage of any unexpected money, such as tax refunds, bonuses, or gifts, by depositing them into your emergency fund. These windfalls can significantly boost your savings and help you reach your target faster. Instead of spending this extra money on non-essential items, prioritize your financial security by adding it to your emergency fund. Starting an emergency fund is a smart move toward financial stability and peace of mind. Begin today, and your future self will thank you. By setting a goal, automating your savings, reducing expenses, and utilizing windfalls, you can build a robust emergency fund that will protect you in times of need and provide lasting financial security. Looking to save money and improve your financial health, be sure to check out our next video. It's packed with practical tips and strategies that anyone can use to start saving money today. Remember, whether you're a seasoned saver or just getting started, there's always a way to save more. Click the link and let's get started on your journey to financial freedom.